viewers, you're welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make akara, popularly known as beans cake. So as you can see, I started off by washing off my beans and I allowed it to soak for less than 10 minutes. Then I used my mortar and I pounded it in my mortar. I make akara every week. That's how easy it is. So what I do is I wash my beans and I store them in the freezer, and anytime I want to make, I bring them out from the freezer, defrost, blend, and voila, your akara is ready. So you wash your beans and you pound. You're not using your strength to pound, you're just the shelling, removing the skin. So you're just gently using your pestle or your mortar, gently going round and round it until you notice that 90% of the skin is off it. Then you can stop. Then I went ahead to wash my beans, as you can see. So you wash your beans. What I do most times is I use the same water. The very first water I drain off, I use it to wash the beans over and over again. At least if you're like me that you like to conserve water, I do not like to waste water. That's what I do. So, and you wash until your beans is clean. The next step is to put your beans in your blender, your pepper and your onions, and you blend. So I'll be blending my own with a little water. You add a little water to blend and it's ready. This akara batter is thicker. You don't add water, just a little water, okay, because you need it to be fluffy. When a batter is watery, you cannot have that fluffy texture. So the reason why I'm stirring is to incorporate air in it and make it fluffy so that it can float in the oil. So here, next step is to fry. Don't mind my frying pan. It is my best frying pan and I love it. I know it's looking old, but I love it because it conserves oil for me. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification button so you can see my videos. Just keep turning as it gets golden. Keep turning till you notice it is well done. Then you can take it off the heat. The whole process takes less than 30 minutes. The whole process takes less than 30 minutes. For me, it's actually fun making akara. My children love it. My husband loves it. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more of this. Thank you.